Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge Battery Replacement Guide.
Warning: you are performing this repair at your own risk. We claim no responsibility for any damages that might occur. To perform this DIY repair, you will need a plastic triangle opening tool, nylon spudger, precision knife set, premium 2mm red adhesive roll, multi-purpose heat gun, professional Phillips screwdriver,
Playing cards. Power down your Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge phone. Remove the nano SIM card and micro SD card tray. The Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge rear panel is glued on solidly and is a tight fit within the frame. Apply heat to soften the adhesive. With the precision knife, create enough space to insert a playing card. Use playing cards to slice through the adhesive and help carefully separate the rear panel from the Galaxy S7 Edge phone. Apply additional heat as needed. Remove the following 12 Phillips screws. With the spudger, pry up and remove the 3 modular pieces. These individual components are connected to the motherboard by way of tiny spring contacts. They include the S7's antenna, loudspeaker, and wireless charging coil. Detach the S7 Edge battery from the motherboard. The battery is well wedged and adhered in place. Use triangle opening tools to work around the battery and set it free from the adhesive securing it to the frame. Remove the 3000 mAh Galaxy S7 Edge battery from the phone.
Make sure to take a look at our other DIY smartphone and tablet repair tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter.